Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Langmaid with Research That Matters TV. The popularity of CrossFit has exploded over the past 10 years. Crossfitters are focused on strength and conditioning with a healthy dose of competition mixed in. And if you're looking to improve your WOD, it's your workout a day, then you need a plan to achieve your best performance while making sure your body can recover quickly on your off days. Otherwise, injuries may start to pop up and cause you to slow down or even keep you from going to the gym altogether. As someone who's looking for optimal performance and recovery, there's no better choice than chiropractic. Exciting new research has shown that chiropractic adjustments can increase cortical drive by influencing your nervous system. That means it's going to result in increased strength. Also, adjustments can improve your spinal motion and reduce inflammation, all of which help with recovery. So if you're into CrossFit, remember, chiropractors can help unlock your body's flexibility, most notably in your back, allowing you to approach lifting exercises properly. Improving core strength and flexibility can reduce your risk of injuries. And emerging research has shown an increase in strength after a chiropractic adjustment. CrossFit is a demanding sport, which is one of the reasons it's so fun, but unless you balance your activity with the proper rest and recovery, you could end up injured and in pain. We believe the best injury is one that never happens, which is why proactive care is so important. If you're an active CrossFitter or would just like to live a healthier life, be sure to have your next appointment scheduled. Your care in our practice will go a long way towards keeping you strong and active. I'll see you next week for another episode of Research That Matters TV.